Now you can supervise your laundry from your smartphone with this Hoover Tumble Dryer, delivering ready-to-wear clothes thanks to its outstanding drying performance. With a large 9 kilogram capacity, you can dry up to 27 shirts or 10 large bath towels, all in one load. Ideal for large families who can save money by drying more laundry in one cycle. With the Hoover Wizard app, you can use your smartphone to control, monitor and manage your laundry appliance with ease. Simply synchronize your smartphone to the appliance by tapping it. With additional features such as energy monitoring and voice assist, doing your laundry has never been so easy. The Sensor Dry programs allow you to select either iron dry, cupboard dry or an extra dry setting. Plus, when your selected dryness level has been reached, the dryer will automatically switch off. Perfect for busy days, this function will prevent you from over-drying or running your dryer longer than it's needed. Save money on your bills with this efficient tumble dryer from Hoover. Designed to fit clothes from everyone in the household into the drum, a great appliance that makes doing the laundry quick and hassle-free.